Ready to treat yourself to some awesome Apple goodies using that Visa gift card burning a hole in your pocket? I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Visa gift card on the Apple Store, both online and in a physical store. First, let's tackle the online Apple Store. Start by browsing the Apple website and adding the items you want to purchase to your shopping bag. Once you're done shopping, click on the shopping bag icon and then proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll find the payment options. Since you're using a Visa gift card, select the credit card option. This is key, even though it's a gift card. Now, carefully enter your Visa gift card details, the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, just like you would with a regular credit card. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure the billing address you enter matches the address associated with your Visa gift card. You might need to register your card online with your address at the Visa gift card provider's website if you haven't already. What about using your Visa gift card in a physical Apple Store? It's even easier. Simply browse the store, choose your items, and head to the checkout counter. When it's time to pay, inform the Apple employee that you'll be using a Visa gift card. They'll process it just like a regular credit card using their card reader. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your new Apple goodies, all thanks to your Visa gift card.